Hello friends, welcome to your My English Class Academy. Our goal is for you to learn English fluently in My English Class. Dear friends, welcome to your My English Class Academy. You have come to the right place at right time to learn fluent English enables you to speak, read and write English language in your day-to-day life within no time. प्रिय मित्रों, आपका सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत है माय इंग्लिश क्लास एकेडमी में। आप धारा प्रवाह अंग्रेजी सीखने के लिए सही समय पर सही जगह पर आए हैं, जिससे आप अपने दैनिक जीवन में बिना समय के अंग्रेजी बोलने, पढ़ने और लिखने में सक्षम जल्द से जल्द हो जाएंगे। आप सभी को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, welcome to my English Class Academy. We'll start today English Lesson 2. With English Lesson 2, we start with syntax. Syntax means sentence and or structure. There are certain rules of sentence and or structure which we must know and apply carefully. There are indeed some exceptions to these rules, but these exceptions are also governed by some rules. These rules must be applied keeping in the mind their external forms as well as their spirit. Next, agreement or concord. In the rules of syntax, the most important ones are those of agreement or concord. Every sentence has a subject, verb, and a predicate. There must be an agreement between these three parts of sentence. There must be an agreement between person, number, gender, or the tense used in the different parts of sentence. By concord is meant formal agreement in person, number, gender, or the tense between two or more parts of sentence. Okay, we'll move to next slide. मित्रों, अब हम जो पहली वाली स्लाइड देखे थे, जिसमें इंग्लिश में हमने सिंटैक्स, एग्रीमेंट और कॉन्कर्ड के बारे में जानकारी ली थी, उसी का अनुवाद हिंदी में यहाँ पे दिया गया है। सिंटेक्स को वाक्य विन्यास कहते हैं। वाक्य विन्यास का अर्थ वाक्य संरचना। वाक्य संरचना के कुछ नियम होते हैं जिन्हें हमें जानना चाहिए और सावधानी से लागू करना चाहिए। वास्तव में इन नियमों के कुछ अपवाद है, लेकिन ये अपवाद भी कुछ नियमों द्वारा शासित होते हैं। इन नियमों को उनके बाह्य रूपों के साथ साथ उनकी आत्मा को भी ध्यान में रखते हुए लागू किया जाना चाहिए। पहले वाले स्लाइड में जैसे हमने एग्रीमेंट और कॉन्कर्ड के बारे में जानकारी ली थी, उसी का अनुवाद यहाँ पे दिया गया है। एग्रीमेंट यानी समझौता, कॉन्कर्ड यानी सहमति। समझौता या सहमति सिंटेक्स के नियमों में सबसे महत्वपूर्ण समझौते या कॉन्कर्ड के नियम है। प्रत्येक वाक्य में एक विषय, एक क्रिया और एक विधेय होता है। वाक्य के इन तीनों भागों के बीच एक समझौता होना चाहिए। वाक्य के विभिन्न भागों में प्रयुक्त व्यक्ति, संख्या, लिंग या काल के बीच एक समझौता होना चाहिए। कॉन्कर्ड से तात्पर्य व्यक्ति, संख्या, लिंग या वाक्य के दो या अधिक भागों के बीच तनाव में औपचारिक समझौता होना चाहिए या समझौता है। ठीक है, हम लोग अगले स्लाइड की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। मित्रों, friends, in English lesson 2, the next slide is about the verb agreement. Under verb agreement, rule number 1, the verb must agree with its subject in number and person. The number and person of the verb in agreement with number and person of its subject. A singular subject must have singular verb and plural subject must have plural verb. Below chart gives the formula to be remembered. Singular in subject singular, verb singular. In subject plural, verb will be plural. Friends, in earlier slide, we learnt about the verb agreement. The examples of verb agreements are given below here in this slide. Left side, the subject, and the right side column is given with the subject and its required verb. So, left side, the subjects are I, we, you, he, they, Ram, a bird, birds. So, according to these subjects, what verb will be applicable to these subjects have, have been given on the right side under the verb column. So, where in subject I is there, according to the required verb, I go. This will be the correct one. Next, we go. You go. He goes. They go. Ram goes. A bird flies. Birds fly. So according to the subject, the verb have been applied here. Friends, in this slide, there is one note for the verb applications. Let's, let's read the note. You should remember that verb has a singular or plural number in the present tense only. In the past tense and singular and the plural forms of the verb are same or remain same. In original form of verb is supposed to be in the plural number and present tense. When s or es is added to the verb, it becomes a verb in the present tense and singular number. The below chart will give you an idea and clarity in this regard. There are two columns. On the left side column, plural verb in the present tense given, and the right side column, singular verb in the present tense given. So let's go to the left side column, plural verb in present. The verbs are sit, run, eat, go, fly, play, smile. In singular verb in the present tense are sits, runs, eats, goes, flies, plays, smiles. Friends, now in current English lesson 2 slide, we will see the singular noun and the plural noun, how it has been shown here. On the left side column, singular noun under which the things have shown are book, dog, house, table, chair, branch, bench, vehicle, car, pencil. On my right hand side, plural noun, under the plural noun, the things I have shown are books, dogs, houses, tables, chairs, branches, benches, vehicles, cars, and pencils. The left side noun are only single in unit. That is one book, one dog, one house, one table, one chair, one branch, etc. Whereas on right hand side column, plural noun, under the plural noun, it's not a single book, there are so many books. That's why they are called books. Not a one dog, but many dogs. Not one house, but many houses. Not a one table, but many tables. Chairs, branches, benches, vehicles, etc. Friends, in this slide, in English lesson 2, one important note has been given. The note goes as follows. It should be remembered here that when s or es is added to verb, it becomes a singular. But when s or es added to noun, then it becomes plural. It means when in verbs the s and es are used, that becomes singular. Whereas in case of noun, where the s and es added to the noun, then it becomes plural. Like verb go, for example, the verb go is a plural, whereas as a singular it works as a goes. But as per the noun, for a single book we call it as book, whereas there are many books, then we use s. For example, b book books, its plural will be books. Table, tables plural will be tables. Dog, dogs plural will be dogs. Many dogs. For a single dog, there is no addition to there is no addition of s or es. For being a, it's a singular in form. Okay, I hope you will be able to understand this as you go on reading these notes.